Fleet management is a high-stakes balancing act. It's the same for any business relying on vehicles, equipment, and inventory. Complex processes, time constraints, constant budget pressures, and the never-ending challenge of keeping assets and personnel safe and compliant. The consequences of failure are severe. Injuries, lawsuits, or devastating financial losses. Failure simply isn't an option. What if you had a reliable partner that unified all your essential tasks into one streamlined solution? A partner that provided complete oversight of every asset powering your organization, all in one place. WhipAround is the undisputed leader in fleet inspection and maintenance software. But that's just the beginning. With customizable digital forms, photo documentation, automated maintenance schedules, and work order management, WhipAround empowers you to inspect and maintain virtually every aspect of your operation. The potential impact on your business is transformative. Imagine you're overseeing a construction company. Success hinges on every piece of equipment being accounted for and in prime condition. You're already using WhipAround for your trucks and heavy machinery, but there's so much more. Each excavator has multiple attachments. Every crane requires regular safety checks. Forklifts, generators, power tools, and welding equipment all need consistent upkeep. Then there's the site itself. It's crucial that scaffolding, material storage areas, and even portable restrooms are regularly inspected to maintain a safe and compliant working environment. You should be tracking and managing all of these assets with WhipAround. It's more than software. It's an indispensable part of your operations. Reclaim valuable time, reduce expenses, take back control, and above all, ensure safety and compliance. With every data point meticulously documented for reporting, record keeping, and audits. Start your journey at whiparound.com.